So alis na kami guys. Tingnan natin yung daanan namin yung bahay. Kakaalis lang namin na doon lang. About few seconds. So nandito lang yung street papunta sa bahay.
You wanna go past the house?
Yeah. Dito. Ano lang, 1 minute walk. Yan yung dagat. So, yan yung bahay. Yan yung bahay namin. Namimiss na namin yan eh. The next door neighbor, daming tumitira. Yan o. Oh, yan. The magnolia is big. Yan yung bahay na malaki yung magnolia. The magnolia is big now, babe. I saw it. Yeah.
You get a video anyway.
Yeah. And let's go to Malones Beach. Punta tayo sa Malones Beach. Malapit lang din sa dito sa bahay namin. Maganda yung dagat doon. Mag-isda kami doon. So tingnan natin. No kangaroo today. They come during the afternoon. They probably are sleeping now. They eat in the morning. So they come out in the morning and eat, and then in the afternoon and then in the noon time they eat, they sleep, and then in the afternoon they come out again and eat. It's quiet here, huh? Not a lot of cars. So yun na Malones. Doon punta tayo sa Malones. Malapit lang din dito. Maganda din yung dagat doon. You have a good stay, babe?
Very short.
Short stay, 2 nights. I think it's better like at least 3 nights.
Yeah.
2 nights.
Like you
Short.
just get there and you don't get time to relax and enjoy as much as you could. But it's too expensive.
Yeah, it is. Just for 1 night, it's close to 400 bucks. But it's, you know, it's relaxing.
But anyway, it's good to get away with you.
Yeah, just me and you. No cats, no kid. She's not kid this anymore. She's 18 years old, but she always be my baby. It's a nice drive. Old trees and houses. It's nice.
Nice
The
day.
water view there. The water.
Nice to get a house there.
Yeah, beautiful. Maybe we like fishing. No, it's relaxing. It's not about if you catch fish or not. It's nice to relax too, even if you don't catch.
Yeah. I've got to make sure I put sunscreen on, but
Is that the shirt that I prepare? I think so. Nearly there. Malapit lang. We're gonna build a house there. Oh, ang ganda ng view, dagat sa ibabaw.
big job.
Wow. Nice. Oh, tapos bush yung kabila. Wow. That's what I like. Yung bahay doon. Bush. Scary when there's a fire here.
Yeah, big insurance here.
And there's a lake. There's a lake there. There's a lot of kangaroos in this area. You know you can park all the way down there at the end?
Yeah, but why? We're going to go here.
Yeah, that's right. But if you wanna fish, people walk in there as well. Nice walking there. Oh, nice. So, nandito na tayo sa Long Beach. I mean, Malones Beach. Wala mang kangaroo. Normally have a lot of kangaroo here.
Just drive down and have a look.
Yeah. Remember we saw a house here before we go to Long Beach. It's nice here, huh? Good. Oh, yo, kangaroo over there, babe. Oh, they was sitting down. Wait, zoom in. Zoom in. I cannot see. Oh my god, they're on the shade. I don't know how the zoom in is. Oh my goodness. Now you can see. They're over there. Under the tree. No. Parang kambing. Oh. Nasa under the tree, oh. Oh, yan.
But you park there and you can take a good video.
Yeah, that would be good. Nakita natin yung kangaroo. Oh, kangaroo. Take me a photo in there, babe. You just park.
You don't want to get out.
I just get out.
Can you?
Oh, yan. O, kangaroo. Oh, sige. Ito yung mga kangaroo. Oh, kangaroo. Tapos yung dagat doon. Napahinga sila kasi ano na mainit.
Don't scare them. Just don't scare them. The man will come and kill you.
Another baby. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh, yan, nag-stay lang sila, hindi sila nagpunta dito.
That's enough. Don't go close.
So mag-fishing na kami doon lang. Doon lang kami mag-fishing.
Bye bye, kangaroo.
Bye-bye, kangaroo. Bye. Sana makakuha kami. Ganda dito. Yeah, nice house. Yeah, nice houses here. Kapit kami makabili ng bahay dito sa likod. Kaso lang, tinitingnan namin konti lang yung diferensya sa isa, yung bahay namin ba sa Long Beach. Dito Malones Beach and in Long Beach. Konti lang yung difference sa ano yata. How much was it? Babe, 490. They want 490 with that house.
Which one?
The one that we look at here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it's a shit house. And then we look at Long Beach and it's only like 502. 502k. Dito na tayo, mag-isda na tayo. Where are you gonna park?
Just here.
And then fishing there.
You want to go there?
Wine's fishing spot. Yeah. You just have to put sunscreen, ha? So may isda tayo doon. Oh, yan. Ganda. So nandito kami sa Long Beach, tapos hindi kasi ako nag-breakfast, so ngayon nagugutom na ako, so kape muna ako kasi ano pa 10 o'clock pa kasi nag-check out kami sa place na inistihan namin. Ano, busy ako kanina, so hindi ako nakapagkain ng breakfast kasi may pandesal tayo natira. Gawa tayo ng coffee. Ready ka na mag...
Yeah, man. Gonna catch more fish?
Yeah.
This one flathead and bread.
Yeah.
Hopefully a nice snapper.
Ito yung mga herbs ko.
Kingfish?
Saan ba yung... Ito yung mga cup. Kuha tayo ng cup. Kuha tayo ng kape. Ay, maganda itong isang to. Ay, ito na lang. Bambuan na. Spoon.
Out of the sun.
What did you say?
I'm going to catch my wife some more fish.
Yeah, babe. I want flathead.
Flathead.
Make some coffee. I'll be there soon. Just gonna make some coffee. Gonna send me some good stuff. Kasi nagdala din ako ng tubig dito. 1 galon. Yung vinegar ba na nilalagyan? Ito. Tapos, may pa tayo.
The fuck's happened here?
You don't want coffee or you already have
I've
coffee?
already had coffee.
Yeah, okay. Just me then. I don't normally drink coffee, but I only drink coffee pag kumakain ako ng pandesal. Parang sarap magluto ba sa labas ba? Ayan, nagkaon na. Tapos yung ano natin. Saan ba? May coffee ako dito isa eh. Nasaan na ba? May rice ako dyan, may noodles, may crackers. Ay, yung coffee yata nandito. Ito pala. Coffee. Madali ba? Ready na for fishing, babe?
Huh?
Ready na for fishing? I'm waiting for my coffee. Let's look here. Fishing spot. Fishing spot daw yan. O, totoo naman kasi marami na kami nakuha dyan na banda. So, ito yung Long Beach. Papunta doon sa malayo. Punta natin dito, be. Habang naghintay ako sa hintay ako sa coffee ko. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Oh, ito yung Long Beach, oh. Ganda. I mean, hindi pala Long Beach. Malones Beach. Oh, yan, maganda. Oh, ganda yan. Oh, ganda talaga. Malones Beach yan. Very nice din. Sa kabila dyan, Long Beach. So, makikita mo din yung rocks. That one day. Ganda dito. It's called Wines Office. Oh, what ba ito? Yung asawa ko, naghintay yung coffee ko. Boiling yet? Wala pa yata. Maganda dito po. Picnic. Huh? Yeah, I have rice. Yeah, it's in the front. Punta tayo doon mamaya mag-fishing. Okay na daw yung tubig ko na boil para sa coffee ko. You want? Yeah, no, not yet. You wanna eat rice?
Kimchi and rice.
Oh, yeah. But it's not hot.
Take food out there.
Yeah, but it's not.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter
okay.
if it's not hot rice.
Yeah, okay. Oh, you don't want hot. Yeah, just bring the whole rice, the whole box of rice. This should be enough now. Kasi not to be too hot.
Need bread too. Look at that.
Yeah, man, I have my coffee. Oh, the fridge, babe, is open.
Nothing out of there?
No. Allah, did I have sugar? Oh, my coffee is not nice without sugar.
Honey? No honey?
No, I don't think I have sugar. So, right. Sugar no good for you.
Don't spill that. Better take that, huh?
Yeah, take your sunscreen with you.
And this.
Kulang ng sugar. Yan na, punta na tayo doon. Let's go. So, nandito na kami, oh, sa ibabaw. Sa rocks. Kain tayo, pandesal at saka coffee. Sarap. Relax.
Did you bring the bread?
Yeah. My coffee is not nice, no sugar. Ito yung view. May aso doon. Asawa ko. Yeah, very quick. I like to have that tent, little tent. Ano yung pandesal ko? Tara di ay. Uno sa coffee. Very relaxing here. Sana makakuli kami ng isda. Maraming mga matanda dito. Nakatira tapos very friendly. Oo, naglalakad matanda. Naghalikan pa. Malayo doon. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. Very relaxing. Ay, wala man kaming kuha, mga day. So, nandito lang yung yung asawa ko, iniwan ko doon. No, yung naka-yellow. Ay, nandoon siya yung naka-yellow. So, inunahan ko na siya pa uwi. Kasi na. Mag-drive pa kami ng 3 oras. Ito, ang ganda dito, oh. Oo. Oh, kanindot ba? Mag-drive pa kami ng 3.5 hours pa uwi sa bahay. Tapos, may paborito kami na pizza. 4 o'clock pa sila mag-open. So, hindi kami makabili ng pizza kasi maaga pa eh. Tapos, walang kuha. So, baka ma-burn tuloy yung asawa. So, ito yung dagat sa Australia. Ang linis-linis. So, tingnan nyo, ang ganda oh. So, super ganda. Ganda ng dagat dito. Super clean. Clean na clean. Tapos walang masyadong maraming tao. Kasi dito tayo sa malayo na lugar. Malayo ba sa syudad pa? Nandito kami sa South Coast tawag dito. 3.5 hours galing sa Campbelltown. Galing sa Sydney. 3.5 hours. So, malayo-layo. Pupunta na yun ang asawa ko mamaya. Ang ganda ba? So, dito yung mangingisda kami dito. Oh. Malonis Beach dito. Ganda oh.
There you go.
So, umuwi na kami kasi hindi kami nakakuha doon. So, tapos ang init-init. So, let's go for drive for 3.5 hours. Sakit yung ulo ko. I still have a headache.
Yeah. You want to go past the house?
Nah, it's alright. We've been there already.
Okay.
We already passed it.
Just asking. No need to get upset.
Wanna buy that land, babe?
No, I don't.
Too expensive to live here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye babe.
Hi, from Australia. Looking at the Philippines. Going there one day, but I'm scared of the earthquakes, scared of the
babe.
typhoons, and I'm scared of the sexy women.
You want a young woman over there?
Well, what would you think?
What would you think?
I've got a young woman over here.
I'm old now.
Well, you want to get me a toy? I can. Play
Yeah,
games.
there's a lot of young ones over there. In the Philippines, a sexy young
Yeah,
one.
they're all trouble. You got to find a good one from the province.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. So hi guys, kakarating lang namin galing sa South Coast. Nag-celebrate kami sa anniversary namin ng asawa ko. Tapos pick upin namin yung baby namin. Yung cage niya nandito na. Ay, nasa likod. Ito. Lagyan namin yung baby namin dyan. Excited na first time na makita yung baby namin. Hindi pa namin alam anong pangalan.